What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today we have a pantry makeover, and I'm so excited. What better way to start the new year than just reorganizing some of the hectic parts of your life? I love to cook, and so looking at this pantry gave me a lot of anxiety to not want to cook because I couldn't find anything. Today I will be joined by my really good friend Rachel. She owns Reset and Reorganize, and she offers services to come in and reorganize any spaces that you need. She also offers virtual consultations, and if you do acquire some of her services, all she asks is masks are required while she's in your home. If you're looking for any additional information, just go ahead and follow her on her Instagram or her Facebook at Reset and Reorganize, and I will leave all of her information down in the description below. But now let's talk about this pantry. So, as you see, I have wire shelving in there, and it really is a pain when it comes to food. So what ended up happening was I went to grab a spaghetti box, brand new box, just picked it up and the bottom fell out and it went through all of the wire shelving, and that was when I was like, yep, nope, I have to redo this. Now, since we rent this home, I didn't want to put money into something that is not mine, but I absolutely hate these shelves, so I'm going to make a shelf cover. All you're going to do is you're going to go to Home Depot, you're going to get yourself some white paneling board, some MDF boards, and a corner strip. You're going to cut to fit your size of the pantry. You're going to glue them together. You're going to put the cover strip over the seams so you cannot see that, and then all you do is slide it on top of your shelf, and it looks like you spent so much money for something that was very inexpensive to do. Now I look like I have high-end shelving and barely cost anything. Then I just want to show you like a quick overview of the things that I'm going to be putting in the pantry. I have these wicker baskets that I got from Target on sale for $9, and everything else I basically got off of Amazon. They're just acrylic bins, and you could get all the different sizes, and then I got these really pretty glass canisters to hold any food that I need. I absolutely love it. And then these guys are heaven. These are for your cans, so you can see where all your cans are. Again, everything that you see here, that's going to go in the pantry, and also the shelf covers, they will all be listed below for you guys. And then this part's the fun part, just really trying to see what products that you want to go in which jars. I have a lot of pasta, and I didn't realize how much pasta I had for this. I have so much pasta that I have to buy a couple more of these glass canisters because I want to display more of them. But this is where she works her magic, and she's just going to take care of all the rest. I basically didn't have to do anything. I just kind of watched her do her thing, and it was so much fun. It was very, very satisfying to see everything kind of come together. But it just, I feel like it just elevates that pantry look. It just feels a lot more put together, and just to be able to see, that's my biggest issue. I want to see what I have. So these really, really help a lot. Now, because she's my friend and I like doing stuff like this, I did help her along the way. But if you were to get any of her services, that is entirely up to you. If you want to help or you want absolutely nothing to do with it, she will do it all. The crazy part about it is everything that was in my pantry before is in there now, minus a few expired items. And I can't believe how much different it looks. There's so much more open space, so much more areas for me to probably buy more pasta because I'm obsessed with pasta. And those wicker baskets that were above just held some of our back stock, so it all worked out. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick renter-friendly just pantry makeover. I'm in love with it. This is really inspiring me to cook again because, again, it was just such a hot mess for me to even want to look in here. There's a lot more of my house that I want to reorganize, so if you want to see more of these, just give this video a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. But thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.